The markets ended well off their lows of the day today, and overall it was really kind of a drifting day, coming back a little bit from being down earlier in the day. The Dow was down about 100 points or so. S&P's down 0.75%. NASDAQ down a little bit. But again, more of just a drifting day compared to what we've seen recently. Early this morning, more jobless claims. 2.4 million new jobless claims. But the real issue may be that the continuing claims keep on rising, and that may have put just kind of a little bit of hold, a little bit of pressure on the market today. Also got housing sales numbers this morning, and they dropped nearly 18%, the largest 1 month drop since July of 2010. Also in the marketplace, also maybe creating a little bit of tension in the market, increasing U.S.-China tension as the U.S. Senate passed a bill to allow additional oversight on foreign-based companies. So despite the decline today, market averages are still up around 3% for the week. ES option data yesterday, about 480,000 options traded, very heavy on the call side. So about 55% were puts, 45% calls yesterday. Volume leaders, the September 3,500 calls traded 8,500 times. The end of week for May, 3,090 calls. So those are expiring tomorrow. 6,600 of those traded. September 3,150 calls traded 5,400 times. And the end of week for May, 2,900 puts traded 4,700 times. Expected move that ES options are pricing in for tomorrow, just to the end of the day tomorrow, about a $35 move. Going out to next Friday, that's about an $82 move. And don't forget, there's no trade next Monday because of the Memorial Day holiday. Bitcoin, well, it's really losing some steam here. After testing 10,000 3 times and hitting significant resistance, we did see a quick sell-off today where Bitcoin actually dropped about $400 in the space of an hour today. Overall, down about $500 today, trading just above 9,000 actually after it dipped down briefly below that 9,000 level. So, the bears have maybe come back a little bit here after failing to break through that $10,000 resistance. Volume pretty heavy at CME today, with CME Bitcoin futures trading over 10,000 contracts.